So we've got a 2016 MX5, deceased estate, and all keys lost. But what I find really amazing about this is that it's a disabled permit for this car. So in my opinion, this is a midlife crisis car. Tell me what you think. So we've got two remotes. I have cut the keys, but I don't think we've got enough battery power to actually crank it. The boot does work. I've just pressed that. There we go. And central locking works. And the final test with this is, you know that it's programmed when you put your foot on the brake or the clutch, and the green light shows up on the key reader. So we'll just do that. If it's the wrong type of remote, it won't work. So that's the problem. I actually need to try and get this thing started to actually finish that programming off, and we just don't have enough power. So the green light comes on, so we're right to go, but I actually do need to start it, and it's just not starting. Just not enough power in it, and it's probably sat here for a bit too. So we've got the other remote here. So green light comes on. So I know that this will start once we have the battery good enough. There's no way we can get this thing going now until we have. So anyhow, that is, the job is done, and that's it. We'll put the windows up. I'll turn the ignition on. We'll put the windows up. But yeah, they're nice cars. But I'm like 5'10", 5'11", and I've had to put the seat all the way back, and yeah, very difficult. Alright, thanks for watching.